Welcome to a world of color, magic, and science. Prepare to be dazzled as we uncover the secrets of the magical rainbow milk experiment. For this enchanting journey, gather the following materials: a sturdy plate, a small amount of milk, a rainbow of food coloring, a dash of dish soap, and some handy cotton swabs. Remember, safety comes first. So if you need help, don't hesitate to ask an adult. Watch closely as a thin layer of milk covers the plate. Now, imagine painting the milk with tiny drops of your favorite colors from the food coloring collection. Next, dip a cotton swab into the dish soap. Gently touch the soapy swab to the milk's surface near the colored drops. Before your eyes, a magical rainbow whirls and swirls, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Ever wondered what causes this captivating display? It's all about science. The milk contains molecules held together by something called surface tension. But when dish soap enters the scene, it disrupts this surface tension, sending the colors in all directions, creating our magical rainbow. Perhaps you're wondering, can I make this experiment my own? Absolutely. Experiment with different colors or try creating unique shapes. The sky's the limit. Now, it's your turn. The magical rainbow milk experiment shows the amazing effects of surface tension and how we can disrupt it. Try it at home and share your colorful results in the comments. Thank you for joining this magical scientific journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and most importantly, keep having fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay curious, young scientists.